Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to turn off likes and comment on Facebook profile picture. So let's get started by tapping on Facebook. Then we'll tap on profile picture. Then we'll tap on the profile picture you want to turn off comment and likes for. Then view profile picture, then we'll tap on the three dot icon right here at the top corner. Then we'll move down to edit privacy. Okay, good. Then for you to turn off likes and comment on your profile picture, you have to tap on only me. Once you do that, it means you've privatized your profile picture from friends to like or to comment on your profile picture. After that, then you tap on done. That's it. Follow for more. Thank you.